HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand how outliers affect modes, medians, and means. Here is a distribution of starting annual salaries for a group of recent college graduates. The scores range from 23,000 to 29,000. The mode, mean, and median are all 26,000. Here is the same distribution of salaries, but the range of the display has been increased. We've increased the range because we want to show what happens when we add an outlier score. The mode, mean, and median are still 26,000 because the scores have not changed. If an outlier salary of 291,000 is added, the mode and the median stay the same at 26,000, but the mean increases dramatically to 32,793. In fact, the mean is higher than all scores except the outlier. This shows how the mean is not an accurate central tendency measure when outliers exist. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.